Not every barbecue place will match everyone's taste, and that's okay. Just food, no hype. I tried Scorch Smokehouse at SM North EDSA Scenic Skywalk. I started with their smoked USDA beef rice meal. Nagustuhan ko na tender pa rin yung beef even after around 15 to 20 minutes. Under-seasoned lang yung beef, so yung lasa mostly nanggagaling sa barbecue sauce, which leaned on the sweeter side. Next was their smoked beef sisig with rice and egg. Tolerable naman yung spicy level. Oily nga lang siya. I was also expecting a more noticeable smoky flavor. I also tried their scorched burger with nachos. Nothing special yung nachos. As for the burger, hindi ko siya masyadong na-enjoy because it turned out to be spicy. Sana lang may heads up from the staff or kahit indication man lang sa menu since wala siyang description. And as I always say, kahit gaano ka kabusog, there's always room for dessert. I ordered the choco a la mode. The ice cream leaned on the sweeter side. But unfortunately, burnt yung brownie. Amoy at lasang sunog siya. And matigas din to the point na rinig mo na talaga kapag tinapik mo ng spoon. Overall, this one wasn't for me. But your experience might be different depending on your taste preferences. Follow for more honest food finds around the metro.